Hello guys, welcome to another video. Can you tell the value of 5 minus 3 into 2 plus 3? So, if you want to know the value of this, first you need to understand about BODMAS rule. If plus, minus and multiplication signs are given in the expressions, then we should always solve multiplication first. Then we will solve either plus or minus. We can solve plus or minus at the same time. Means we can solve either addition first or subtraction first. So first, but we need to understand that first we need to solve this multiplication. So 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6. So this will be 6. So the new expression will be 5 minus 6 plus 3. Okay, so 5 or 3 will be 8. 8 minus 6 will be 2. So the answer will be 2. But when we see the options, nothing is given in the option like exact 2. So we need to calculate each of the options. Okay, so first you need to understand what is factorial. This sign is called factorial. This 3 factorial. This means 1 factorial is equal to 1. 2 factorial is equal to 2 into 1. Like that 3 factorial is equal to 3 into 2 into 1. Like that 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So like that we calculate factorials. So 3 factorial will be 3 to the 6. 1 is 6. And 2 factorial will be 2 1 is 2. So 6 minus 2. 3 factorial minus 2 factorial will be 6 minus 2 will be 4. But what we get? We know our answer is 2. So this is wrong. So this option is wrong. Now we will check this option. Okay. Because this is a quite lengthy. So I will solve first third option. So under root of 0.04. What will be? Under root of 0.4 will be, we can write it like 10 into under root of 4 by 10. Under root is like this. Okay. So under root of a upon b will be equal to under root of 4 upon under root of 10. Okay. So under root of 4 will be equal to 2 and under root of 10 will be under root of 10. So the value of this expression will be 10 into under root of 4 upon under root of 10, and 10 is under root of 10 ka whole square, because under root of 10 is under root of 10 is 10 to the power 1 by 2. Okay, so 10 to the power 1 by 2 into 2, 2 से 2 will be cancel out, it will be equal to 10 only. So under root of 10 से under root of 10 will be cancel out. So here will be under root of 10 remain. So the answer will be 2 root 10. So answer will be 2 root 10. So this option is also not correct. Now we will see about last option, that is D. So we know under root of something like under root of a is a to the power 1 by 2. Okay, under root of something is under root of 1 by 2. Okay, under root ko we will remove under root by power 1 by 2. But if it is given like m here, when nothing is given, then it is assumed as 2. When m is given, then it means a to the power 1 by m. So here 5 is given, so it will be 2 to the power 1 by 5. Okay, to the whole power 10. When it is given like this, then the power of power will be multiplied. So 2 1 by 5 into 10. 5 to the 10. That will be 2 to the power 2. It will be equal to 4. And we know our answer is 2. Now come to this. We can see each term is divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2 divided by 2 will be 1 by 4. And 1 by 4 divided by 2 will be 1 by 8, 1 by 16, 1 by 32. Like this will go till infinity. This kind of series is called symmetrical progression. If A is the first term of the series, that is here 1, and R, that is called common ratio. If we divide second term by first term, what will be? 1 by 2 by 1, that will be 1 by 2. And 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2, 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2, 2 2s are 4, that also be equal to 1 by 2. It means the ratio is common. If we divide second term by first term, third term by second term, fourth term by third term, that will be equal to 1 by 2 only. So this is called common ratio. So if we need to calculate the sum of this series, then it will be equal to A upon 1 minus R. Okay, since R is less than 1, so it will be 1 minus R. Otherwise it will be R minus 1 if R is greater than 1. So A upon 1 minus R. What is A? A is the first term of the series. So it will be equal to, I will write it here, A upon 1 minus R will be equal to, A will be 1 since A is 1, and R will be 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 में से half गया तो कितना बचा? How much? 1, if we subtract 1 by 2 from 1, then it will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2. And 1 upon 1 by 2 will be equal to 2. So this option is correct. Okay, so this option is correct. To get the value of this, we need to expand all this. We need to understand all these options, and the correct option is B. Thank you. If you like this video, then please press the like button and please subscribe the channel. Stay connected. Thank you.